Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. So if you were to say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of a bunker in North Korea. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's go through and kind of figure out where all this started. And in my mind, it started when it broke outside of the channel. And the top of this channel, I'm going to go ahead and call right here at the $4 mark. So $4 mark is quote unquote where the breakout started. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we established, it started right here at $4 on the breakout and gapped all the way up there. I'm thinking we can all agree that that was a very nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, once again, I'm hoping we can agree that, all right, yeah, this all did happen in a relatively short amount of time. And then finally, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, this is where the thin ice point comes into play. And the thin ice point is going to be right here at $4, because to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen. So for those people that care about the big picture, the price could come down here, walk along this thin ice point at $4 and start to work its way back upwards. And again, from the big picture, what would that give you? Well, you technically have a set of lows there, this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, all right, fine. Again, to be fair to the bulls, they would be starting to make overall progress in the upwards direction with upward stair steps. So that's, you got to still give credit. You still got to give the bulls a little bit of a chance, but that's the thin ice point. However, let's say the price comes down here to the thin ice point, goes along it, and then breaks to the downside and continues to go downwards. What would you have at that point in time? You would literally have the price right back to where it all started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, they're going to make progress, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. And quote unquote back to where they were is where what I am defining as breaking down below that thin ice point at $4. So if you haven't connected those dots yet, $4 definitely a very important level of support from a charting perspective going into tomorrow. So we'll see if the price can hold up above it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.